Hey there, this is Tia, and sometimes we sign in our Gmail account on our friend's device to read mails or something, and after our work is done, we want to remove our Gmail account from that device, but we don't know how to. So here's the tutorial how to remove Gmail account. If you go to settings on Gmail app, you will see all the emails that are signed in on that device. And if you click on email that you want to remove, here you won't find any option to remove it. Removing account is very easy, just follow these steps. Open settings and scroll down. You will see account option or account and backup, something like this. Tap on that, then tap on manage account. Here you will see all the Gmail account that are signed in. Here select the account you want to remove and tap on remove account. Once again, tap on remove account. After that, it will get removed. Like and subscribe for more such videos, and I will catch you in the next one.